Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then we have papillary carcinoma. Papillary carcinoma is actually a special type of cancer of breast. And this papillary carcinoma is a special type of cancer of breast which is seen in 2% of the population. The patient presents in seventh decade of life, and it occurs most commonly in the non-white women. Then it is actually small, and because it is small, it rarely attains a size of 3 centimeters. It is because it is a papillary carcinoma. It is defined by the papillae with fibrovascular stalks are present. There is papillae is present with fibrovascular stalks, something like this. There is papillae with fibrovascular stalks are present, and here there is epithelium is of multi-layered epithelium is also seen here. Then the axillary metastasis is seen, but this axillary lymph node metastasis is seen, but it is rarely seen or low frequency. And 5-year and 10-year survival rate is almost the survival rate is almost similar to that of mucinous carcinoma.
thank you and thank you for watching.